that.
Pulled that, I know. Cannot get them.
Not like you to struggle with these.
Oh, it is.
Could be worse, you could be up a tree.
Hey.
Oh,
Right.
build up, yeah.
Well done.
Once you know where to hit them, it's easy, but I was getting it wrong. I was going too hard.
That's the same with everything though, isn't it? Once you know where to hit them.
Yeah, well, that's it, and it's looking at you.
Shot, Simon. Oh, nice one, Simon. Oh, well done. That's all twice about going down, isn't it?
The same as the...
Yeah. Oh, shot.
Now I know where to get them a bit better this time. You're having a go?
Yeah.
Easy, dead on one, babe.
Shot.
Shot.
That's a bit funny to do that.
But it's just one of them that
That missed it all together, didn't it?
Yeah, I'll break a minute. Don't know where that one went.
Oh, nice one, Simon.
What did you put on that?
off and slightly to the right. Just slightly right now.
Slightly right. Yeah, it's a bit breezy, isn't
Well, it's the distance.
it? I was
isn't
trying
it?
it, I was dead on, but I put 1.5 on it. I think it could have done with just... I think the 1.5 isn't right, but...
Oh, can you do that one again? I missed it.
What, freehand?
They're really good fun.
Yeah, but you know I'm going to miss now, don't you?
Shot.
It's a good one to do freehand, that one, though, because
Yeah,
it's
well,
a
it's
perfect
close, that's
shot,
why.
isn't it? Yeah, it's a perfect shot, dead on.
It's close.
Close. Perfect.
I always go when they're that close.
I think there's quite a crosswind out there now.
There is.
Right to left. Can't be far off, Simon.
I can't see where I'm landing.
Oh, so close.
It's so far away, that's the trouble. Yeah. Oh, nice one, Simon.
Yeah, but
That is a long way off.
is about a mil and a half to the right, would you believe?
Yeah?
Even though I'm not using mil dots, but I kept going further and further.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And well over. What's the distance, I reckon? It's about 40. I'm no good at should be easy.
It's on its side, so it calls me as well.
I fancy crow 300.
Oh, well done.
I wasn't even on the target then.
How far? What, that far? Yeah.
Right over.
That is a long way off.
Way off it.
Surprising.
Yeah, I try when I played it the first couple of times I thought it was going a bit there. To go way off the target to get that one.
Yeah.
Surprising.
The problem is, I mean, even though we're shielded here a bit, as soon as you clear the trees,
Yeah.
it's over.
There's pigeon feathers everywhere in
At
the
this time of
porch.
year though, normally the rats are quite up in numbers.
Quite a
Shot.
splat, that is.
Yeah, well
But
done.
there's nothing at the moment.
Don't fancy this one.
Ah, it's a long one, that one is. Really long.
God, that's a long way off.
It's open as well.
Shot.
Shot.
Very good shot.
That was left.
Yeah, they're all going a bit left. You need to put some right on it. Yeah,
There you go.
yeah,
Half milled up right.
yeah. Shot.
Oh, nice one. Well done.
I'm moving about all over the place. I've got them still behind.
Here's the wanderers. Morning, mate. Morning, Jason.
Morning.
Happy New Year. Nice one, Simon.
Did you just got here or you did?
We did 4 and 5.
Just had you shoot a bit first. We got things past them.
Yeah, we've just got to come and find you guys.
We did down the
Yeah, it is.
You right, Jason?
Did you have a good Christmas, Jason? Did you have a good Christmas? Yeah. Seems
ages ago now.
It does, I know. Yeah.
Holidays and we'll be in February.
I've done nothing but read my book and laid around and not the kids. That's about it.
Hooray.
Problem is when you actually stood up, you can actually feel it pushing the guns like.
Yeah.
I was almost on the edge of that, the right night. Yeah, because it's windier than what you think. Almost just off it.
Jason's got them all. I've got them all too.
Yeah.
Oh, shot.
That was an inch to the right. That was.
Not really, no, the
I think I was more than that and also a bit, about 1.5.
Never used no either.
Shot, Mike. Oh,
Look at that.
shot, Jason. I wasn't even on it then either.
Like to make us all feel inadequate.
Yeah. You going for that squirrel, Jason?
Yeah,
Oh, shot.
Nice shot.
Although the camera couldn't focus on it because there's a twig in front of it. It's focusing on that.
Focus on that. That's again, aren't it? Surprising.
Shot, Jason. Oh, shot. Shot.
Having a go, Jay? No? Wants this food, don't you?
String was on one.
Was it? Oh.
Yeah. But we're not sure which.
In a minute.
Yeah, okay.
Can you remember which we shot before, whether it was the squirrel or the crow? I'm still a bit surprised that they put it up from 5 to 8. I thought it might have gone to 7 quid. It's quite a big jump, that.
Well, everything's stupid big.
Yeah, true. Yeah. Yeah, but due to the increase in numbers, you wouldn't have thought that they've actually put it up that much because they've got, like Tony said, really, with the advertising and everything.
Drink, so she picked a Gatorade off the shelf. A Gatorade.
What's
It's
one of
like
them?
well, round here they're
Like
about
an
50
energy,
p.
like
Yeah,
an
it's
energy.
like a, not really. It's like a raspberry, blue raspberry. It looks like an energy drink, but it isn't. It's not. It's a cheap version.
And they gave it him back.
I would have if she hadn't been desperate for a drink. If it'd been for me, I'd have said, no, I won't bother, then I'll leave it. It's $3.99. They've got in the wall, and then they've got these little holes in the wall, so the cats come out the holes, you know. And the kids think it's marvellous, you know. That's how they manage to get around the rules, you know, because the little place, out of the way.
Shot, Simon.
You got one in.
Shot, Simon.
You got one in.
You've got 2 in there now.
Should hit it then.
I know what it is because it was on.
I'm going to say you might as well just pull the trigger. You're not going to hit anything.
It was very quiet.
It was.
Yeah.
Oh, so close.
Looked as though it went in then. It didn't go down.
Oh, look.
I thought it went in the first time. It looked as though it did. I saw the pellet. Weird.
These things happen.
It didn't.
Or you can buy your own bread.
They probably did, not anymore.
Kids are off money bags. It's not all catching on.
I mean, I never used to. Very rare I use it. I never use it. Yes, I ate some we had a nice Lincoln on the plate. But it was only right in the matter.
Nice one.
Only school age.
Too much over there the first time.
We'll take fancy. Just nice to check.
It's a really long one, that one, isn't it?
I don't know if I'm...
Pretty hard,
Shot. Is that freehand, Mike?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
Well done. That was a brilliant shot.
It's a fair distance as well.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
I just saw my pellet drop, and that was nearly 2 mil dots held over, and it went low.
How far is that thing?
It's a fair way.
Not that far.
What was that, babe? Oh, blimey.
Slightly left. I went to...
My hands are getting cold now, come on.
Well, one of you just...
Oh, that was way off.
That was
way off.
Yeah. That was about 4 inches, that was, to the left. Yeah, well done, Simon. I knew someone would get it eventually. Take your time. Shot.
Shot.
2 mil got low.
Yeah. Further than you think, that one.